Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix storage holes on Windows 11. So if you're getting that annoying storage hole message on Windows 11, don't worry because today I'll show you simple, quick ways to free up space instantly and keep your PC running smoothly. Let's dive in. Windows 11 has a built-in cleaner called Storage Sans, and here's how you can turn it on and use it. You can just open Settings, click on System, and then find the storage option. And here you need to turn on this one, Storage Sans. So you need to make sure this is on. And you can also click on Run Storage Sans now to automatically delete temporary files, recycle bin items, and more. You can also manually clear the temporary files by going to the Settings, System, Storage, and here click on the Temporary Files options. And then here you can select what to delete, like temporary internet files, recycle bin, and others. After that, you can just tap on Remove Files and tap on Continue. And you can also uninstall unused apps on your PC. So you can just go to the apps options here and click on the install apps, and here you can sort by size or last use. And then you can just click on the three dots in here and choose uninstall. And don't forget, you can also move big files like videos and photos to an external drive or cloud storage like OneDrive to free up space. And that's it. Use these quick tips to fix the storage hole error and keep your Windows 11 PC running fast. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!